To begin building the industrial robot arm, select the top plane from the Feature Manager design tree and create a new sketch. Select the Circle tool, click on the origin to keep the profile fully constrained, and drag outward. Apply Smart Dimension to establish a diameter of 555 millimeters, fully defining the sketch. Open the Features tab and select Extruded Boss/Base, setting a blind depth of 10 millimeters to generate the primary circular floor plate of the base component. Select the top flat face of this newly created solid disk and begin another sketch. Choose the Center Rectangle tool from the Sketch toolbar, anchor its center to the origin, and draw a square. Using Smart Dimension, set both the horizontal and vertical edge lengths to 400 millimeters. Activate Extruded Boss/Base and extrude the square profile upward by 30 millimeters. To reduce stress concentrations and eliminate sharp corners, select the Fillet tool. Pick all 4 vertical corners of the square block and enter a radius of 100 millimeters. Click the top flat face of the rounded block, set the view Normal to, and start a new sketch. Choose the Circle tool, position the center at the origin, and create a circle. Apply Smart Dimension to set its diameter to 340 millimeters. Access the Features tab, launch Extruded Boss/Base, enter a depth of 200 millimeters, and confirm the operation to form the main central cylinder. Select the top circular face of the cylinder, orient Normal to, and open a new sketch. Select the Circle tool, start at the origin, and draw a circle. Apply Smart Dimension to establish a diameter of 460 millimeters. Navigate to Features and choose Extruded Boss/Base, setting the depth to 20 millimeters to build the upper flange. Select the front plane in the Feature Manager design tree, switch to Normal to View, and begin a sketch. Select Center Line and construct a vertical construction line upward from the origin along the vertical axis to maintain symmetry. Select Center Rectangle and place a rectangle on the side of the central cylinder aligned with the vertical center line. Use Smart Dimension to set the height of the rectangle to 140 millimeters, the width to 200 millimeters, and the vertical distance from its lower edge to the base, top surface to 30 millimeters. Select Extruded Boss/Base. Change the direction one-end condition to mid-plane. Set the depth to 200 millimeters and confirm to generate the side housing block. Select the top flat face of the side housing block. Orient normal to and create a sketch. Select Circle, place the center at the origin, and draw a circle matching the outer diameter curve. Apply Smart Dimension to set the diameter to 460 millimeters. Select Convert Entities to project existing boundary edges into the active sketch. Launch Trim Entities and trim away the unnecessary circular arc segment extending beyond the housing block boundary. Exit the sketch. Select Extruded Cut from the Features tab. Set direction one depth downwards through the housing material and confirm the operation to clean up the rear contoured profile. Select the top circular face of the central body, orient normal to, and start a new sketch. Choose Circle, snap to the origin, and draw a concentric profile. Apply Smart Dimension to specify a diameter of 280 millimeters. Select Extruded Cut, set direction 1 to through all, and confirm to create the main center bore through the body. Select Fillet from Features. Click the internal transition edges and outer corner edges of the housing extension. Set the radius to 10 millimeters and confirm. Select Fillet again. Choose the perimeter edges around the cylindrical body junction and flange bases. Set the radius to 10 millimeters and confirm. Select Fillet once more. Select the top lip perimeter and bottom plate edge. Set the radius to 5 mm and confirm the feature. Select the lower planar step face of the base block. Orient Normal to and start a sketch. Select Polygon. Set the side count to 6 and construct a hexagonal profile near the corner. Select one vertical side of the hexagon and apply a vertical relation to lock its orientation. Use Smart Dimension to define the across flats dimension at 38 mm. Apply Smart Dimension to position the hexagon center 35 mm horizontally and 50 mm vertically relative to the outer edges. Access Features and select Extruded Boss. Setting the extrusion height to 20 mm to form a raised mounting bolt head boss. Select the top face of the extruded bolt head. Orient Normal to and create a sketch. Choose the Circle tool, snap to the center point of the bolt head, and draw a circle. Apply Smart Dimension to set the circle diameter to 40 mm. Select Extruded Cut. Set direction 1 to through all and confirm to cut the bolt mounting clearance hole. Launch Fillet. Select the top inner edge of the clearance hole. Set the radius to 1 mm and confirm. Select Fillet again, highlight the 6 vertical edges of the hexagonal bolt head, set the radius to 1 mm, and confirm the feature. Select Circular Pattern from the Linear Pattern drop-down menu in the Features tab. Choose the central cylindrical surface as direction 1 for the axis of rotation. Enable equal spacing with 360 degrees, and set the instance count to 4. In the Features to Pattern box, select the extruded bolt head, the extruded cut hole, and the applied fillets. Confirm the circular pattern feature to replicate the mounting bolt assembly at all 4 corners of the base, completing the model.